Compass Publishing. Splash Kindergarten Coursebook. A 3-level coursebook for kindergarten learners of English. With everything students need to succeed, right at teachers' fingertips. The series features a complete curriculum that takes a whole child approach and includes math, STEAM learning, CLIL, social-emotional learning, and values. Fun and effective content that students are going to love, with catchy songs, animations, and videos, fun varied activities, simple learning objectives related to everyday themes, and engaging hands-on projects in every unit. And lots of teacher support to make the course easy to teach, with a feature-rich interactive whiteboard, a detailed teacher's guide, and loads of supplementary materials to enrich learning. The Splash curriculum covers everything students need to succeed: English vocabulary and functional expressions, project-based learning, phonics, alphabet awareness and literacy, social-emotional learning and values, pre-writing and fine motor skills development, TPR and gross motor skills development, cross-curricular learning related to a wide range of subject areas, numeracy and pre-math, catchy songs and chants, and loads of fun crafts and games. Let's take a look at one of the units. Each of the 10 units in the book opens with a colorful illustration to introduce the theme of the unit. You can scan the handy QR codes to launch the unit audio and video content on a mobile device. Icons accompany all instructions to help learners understand what to do, and learning objectives and teachers' instructions are tucked away at the bottom of the page. The Words page introduces the vocabulary for the unit, supported by bright, easy-to-understand pictures and audio. The Sentences page presents the main grammar structure for the unit, with easy listening and speaking activities for restricted use practice. On the Story page, learners see the same vocabulary and structure again, this time in the context of a colorful comic about a realistic situation with recurring characters. The story is also provided as a beautifully animated video to grab students' attention.
Lulu, where is the park? I don't know. Let's ask Tony. Tony, where is the park?
Hi, Anna. It's next to the library.
The Values page focuses on values linked to the theme of the unit, related to responsibility, safety, or respect, along with enrichment vocabulary. On the Phonics page, students learn letter sound combinations that are especially challenging to boost their listening, pronunciation, and spelling skills. On the Math page, students learn to say numbers in English and learn fundamental pre-math concepts and skills, like counting objects. Then, on the next page, students learn cross-curricular content related to the theme of the unit from a wide variety of school subject areas, like science and social studies. The unit wraps up with a fun, hands-on project using simple materials. We've also included videos that show step-by-step exactly what students are supposed to do. The last page of the unit is the Review page, which goes over all of the important learning points from the unit, so you can check that students have understood and retained what they've learned. The full-color activity book has one page to go along with each page of the student book. The activity book activities complement what learners do in the student book. and include more coloring and puzzle activities to give learners more practice with fine motor skills and with holding a pencil. The Splash series comes with a full range of supplementary material that you can download for free from our website, coursebook.com, including answer keys, MP3 audio, flashcards, worksheets, tests, and teacher's guides to make teaching your classes easier. Like all Compass products, Splash comes with our innovative digital learning solutions. ClassBox is a browser-based teaching platform with a library of digital ELT textbooks you can use to teach your classes online or in the classroom. It also has an easy-to-use learning management system for managing classes, assigning homework, and tracking students' progress. For students, Compass has made learning fun with BigBox, our English learning app. Students can watch videos, play games, and do their homework. Splash also comes with an IWB, full-featured interactive whiteboard software that you can use for online or offline teaching. Splash Kindergarten Coursebook. For more information about this product, including sample units to try out, scan the QR code or visit our website at coursebook.com.